While running some errands this morning, me, my mother-in-law, and my daughter Marceline happened to stumble upon the local trade of like farmers market, Christmas market. I'm not even like completely sure, but I vlogged the whole thing and it was so much fun. So hope you enjoy.
Yeah, they do great. They have like great farmers markets too. That was a crazy 2 years though.
Oh, these are my unscented soaps. Oh, just my little unscented holiday soaps, and the rest of them have very lovely fragrances. All of my soaps have apricot oil, which is very moisturizing and conditioning for the skin. My facial scrubs and these soaps here also have avocado oil, so they're even better for sensitive skin. That bar is my lavender, lemongrass, and bergamot essential oil bar. When you have stuff for hair too?
Yeah, I make shampoos and conditioners for dry, normal, and oily hair.
Yeah, it's the worst. What?
In a minute. And for the seasonals, I recommend pumpkin chai. Is my favorite so far.
Oh, the Christmas tree?
Take a picture of all of you together? You want to?
Is that a you know what? Is that a marshmallow?
We got milkshakes. I think we saw was one of those s'mores.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, for sure.
I mean, this is like, yeah.
Oh, I love Our Lady.
My mom does all the needed work. I do everything. Oh, we left the food. She and his got a that fits like they make it so it
number one customer.
He's so silly.
They're pretty fun.
My wife makes them.
Where's the bunny go?
Where's the bunny? Where's the bunny? Bunny.
Yeah, so like decoration. It'll stay in here for like.
Oh, I don't know about that. Yeah, let's leave the books there. Oh, no.
Oh, look at
Oh.
it's a good doggy. It sits.
Oh.
Can she pet him? Yeah. You can pet him.
You wanna pet him?
You would look at that.
You like it? Here, I'll take your pick. You like it? Her mouth is turning blue.
Yeah, blue.
It's a blue.
You're
kitty.
blue.
Mm-hmm. It's good, huh? So is this what she had?
Is it the set?
Ooh.
You just smell. Put your hand. Just put your hand. See? Just smell.
Nice.
You can smell your candy.
That's a gift to me.
Yeah. Oh my god. Is it good? Oh, I love peppermint. Is it yummy? Nobody's gonna believe us because we got no pictures, but Marceline met Santa Claus. And he gave you the candy cane, huh? And he did a little magic trick where he got Christmas magic, which made his little fingertips light up, and he put the magic in my ear.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you saw it in there, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, when I get home, I'll see if I can get it out, okay? You'll look for me? Get the Christmas magic out of my ears?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you for doing that. But we just have to promise to, we promised Santa that we'll make him cookies and we'll leave it out by the fireplace and put a big glass of milk. So maybe there'll be something that we could do on Christmas Eve is make some cookies. Oh, that's so cute. But yeah, nobody will believe us because we didn't get a picture, and I tried taking a picture of her afterwards with in front of the Christmas tree. But I think Santa was brought over by the Phoenix Children's Hospital. Is just like the organization. So I did make sure to put some money in the tip jar. Literally the rest of my cash. We spent all my cash on getting all the stuff, all the different stuff from the what do you call this?
Like a little market?
A little market, like almost like a Christmas market.
Yeah.
And so now my wallet is completely taken up of cash, and I'll have to go to the bank and get some more. Yeah, so they got the last of my dollars.
Santa got the ears and the
Santa put magic in Mommy's ears.
mom's here.
Yeah. I almost forgot to show everything that I got at the market. First things first, at this booth, it was like, I think she was doing small tattoos, but I think her, maybe her daughter or maybe her niece or somebody who was there at working in the booth with her, she was making little handmade keychains. So I bought this one from her, and it had some cute little beads on it, and I asked for a C to be at the end for my husband Christian's name. Plus it's gold. I like gold. Right? Do you like that, Marcy?
Yeah.
You like the colors?
Okay, the colors blue and that's what's the code?
Is it yellow?
Yellow and blue and red.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's pretty good.
pretty good.
She just sold me. I really wanted to support her little small business. I got this shirt. I say thrifted it because, you know, kind of like buying it secondhand. One booth at the very far end was like selling the shirt. It was like for $10. I think this is like, yeah, it's Nike. So the quality is like super good, and I love like wearing an oversized t-shirt with my tennis skirts. I just like love that fit. Always looks really good, especially when I'm like bloated and stuff. And the last thing I did get a candle from Meraki Natural Balance. It's watermelon. It smells so good.
It's watermelon.
What? It sounds like. Specifically, it smells like the watermelon gum. If I can remember the brand.
That's a watermelon. It's called watermelon.
It's a candle.
Candle like that.
But since we're getting into the holidays, I don't know when I'll burn a watermelon candle. Maybe I'll save this for the spring, or maybe I'll gift it during the holidays. Because it was not very cheap for a candle this small, so I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do. But yeah, that's everything that I got. Happy to support small businesses. Oh, and then the last bit of cash that I had did go to the Phoenix Children's Hospital. I just love all the work that they do over there. Plus, like, the interaction with Santa and Mrs. Claus was very nice as well. But yeah, if you like this video, make sure to give it a like so that
Santa Claus. We saw Santa Claus giving me. We saw the truck. We saw the permanent chocolate cookies that were putting the milk.
Yes, we'll put cookies and milk out for Santa.
Yeah.
It's to subscribe for if you want us to keep going to these like local events here in Phoenix. So I'm trying to do more of now. They're a whole lot of fun. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.